Hi, I'm Jeff. Today I'm going to be installing a hard drive into the security system monitor. The model number of this security system monitor is this. And the hard drive I'm going to be installing is this. Okay. There's two screws that needs to be removed. The back of your monitor on this model. Inside you will find two sets of plugs, a small one and a larger one. On your hard drive, you will see this and this, one small and one larger. Also on this hard drive, there are holes. These holes, this cover will actually attach to those when we put it back on. I'm going to put it, when I do this in here just a little bit. So this side will go up, this board side here. So take it and attach it. Just push it on like that. Take this one and push it on like that. Make sure they're snug. Lay it down in the hole. And what we'll do is I'll do it like this first. Let's do this. Make sure that's the correct way of going on. Find your holes. Take the screws that's provided. It should be provided in your, with this particular unit, they'll be provided when it comes, not with a hard drive, but with the unit. Take that, screw, tighten it down. You want to tighten it down just barely snug. Do not over tighten, but tighten it enough to where it's barely snug. And this screwdriver is magnetic, so it makes it handier. I do like a magnetic screwdriver. Let's have that in the wrong spot. Had it in the wrong spot. And what the hard drive does, it will record your video, but you'll have to format the hard drive to your unit. Then put this back in here. Take the two screws you took out. Replace those. Get all this put back together. Get your cameras going. And on this particular model, when you put your cameras up, it's just going to automatically connect to it. It's going to take just a little bit for the camera after you get it plugged in for the wireless connection to do, but it will pick up on your screen whatever number it is on the spot. And on this one, there's not got it on, but there's 4 different screens. And then when you format it, your hard drive will record for you, just in case you want to look back and see what happened when you wasn't looking, like overnight or whenever. Thanks for watching. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, tell all your friends. Until next time.